What is Linux? Linux is an operating system. It's an open source operating system. Open source means anyone can use, anyone can source the code and modify the code. It's a free of cost. It's one of advantages. It is like it's a the free of cost. That's why. And we need to know about shell. What is shell means? Shell means interface between operating system and user. Here we are working with bash shell. And first of all, come to commands. We need to know which directory you are working now. For to know that in which directory we are present in currently, you just give pwd, means present working directory. Sorry, I am in Cygwin directory. Now, yes, I am in home directory. Okay. From home directory to root directory, I am giving. First of all, you need to know that what is the present working directory command. If you want to information about any command, you can use man before any command like man pwd. Here is the total information about pwd. You can see here pwd, print name of current or working directory. And here some switches also there like options. You can use these options also. And author, and you can see all the information which is related to pwd command. And you need to exit from this command. You can just click on Q and see. You need to know about information of command cd, change directory. Cd means change directory. Here is the directory, change directory information. You can read all this. You got an idea about this command. Now I'm exit from this. And what is this mean? Cd dot dot. If you want to go one step back, like I'm currently in home directory, right? I'm changing my directory from home directory to cd. If you want to what directories are present in your system means, you can just click on tab. You can see which all the directories you have. I want to go for Cygwin, just you type cy-g and give tab. It's better to give tab. Enter. And you need to know what are the files present in this directory. You just give ls, list of all files. I have 3 directories in this. I am changing my directory from Cygwin drive to directory D. Here I am doing ls to know which files are present in this directory. Here these are the files present in this directory, and I am going to Linux April 24 cd lin. Just I am giving lin. I am pressing tab. It's automatically take if it is present in your directory. Then enter. Currently I am present in Cygwin, Cygdrive. D directory and Linux. Inside D directory, I am present in Linux directory. Inside Linux directory, I have files. For that, I want to give ls and give ls. These are the directories which are present in Linux April 24 directory. Now I can tool it. What is this cd dot dot. Currently I am presenting, you can see here, I am presenting C drive and D drive, and under D drive it's a Linux April 24 directory. I want to go for back like a D directory. I can use cd dot dot. Now you can see I am in D directory. Okay. If I want two steps back, you can use cd dot dot tab and again dot dot tab. It comes two steps back. Like I will see. It's a signature like a root directory. These are this is one directory for this, and these two directories back. I am come back to root directory, right? Presently I am present in root directory. So you can do like that and go for Sigwin. Just press on tab and directory D, and I want to go for Linux. Just click on that, click on enter. Now you want to open any file, you just give gvim file name, file1.txt. If you didn't mention .txt, it's okay, no problem. If you want to create one text file, you need to mention .txt. That's better. Click on enter, double time. It's here is one window is open like a editor. It's a editing window. Here if you type anything, it's not working. Like why? Because it is in escape mode. Okay, here you can see nothing is showing. That's why it is in escape mode. If you want to enter something or if you want to write something, you just click on I. Now it is changed to insert mode. Now you can type anything. Hello. This is my Linux introduction class. Okay. If you want to save this, you need to go for escape mode. You need to click on ESC, which is present in your laptop key. Click on ESC, shift colon W U. If you just click on shift colon W, it's save okay, but we need to come out from this window. You need to go for terminal. You need to give shift colon W Q. Q means quit. Quit from this window. Enter. Now you can see one file is saved with that name, which file will give file1.txt. You can ls. Here you can see file1.txt. If you want to open, you again give gvim file1.txt. Otherwise you can use one command cat also. I will tell about this after In further classes, I will discuss about what is cat, how it works. Now I just show you how it works. File one dot. You don't need to type all the file1.txt. You just give file one and click on tab. It's automatically fill the file name. Why? Because only one name is present here, like with the file starting with file. That's why it automatically takes file1.txt and enter. Here you can see the content which is present in the file1.txt. Okay. I will show one more thing to you. Gvim file2.txt. You need to click on two times. Click on enter two times, and this is in escape mode. If you need to insert anything here, you just click on I and enter the, here it changes to insert mode. Now you can type anything. This is my second file, and save this like, okay, say escape mode, click on escape. If you want to save the file and quit from the file, you just click on escape and save the file, quit the file. Shift colon WQ. You can enter. Here you can see file2.txt. Here you can see file2.txt. Now you can see one thing, cat file. I am clicking on the tab. It's nothing. Wait. I'm just give F5 and clicking on the tab. Just give file. Why? Because I have two files, like I have two names starting with file, file1 and file2. If I just mention, sorry, if I just mention 2 here and click on tab, it automatically file2.txt fill. And you can see the content which is present in the file2.txt. This is the content I wrote in the file2. Cat is nothing but by using cat also we can create files. Okay. And yeah, if you have any doubts, you can mention in comment box. I will clarify all those doubts. And here I'm forgot to mention one more point. To execute all this, I am using the platform Cygwin. Okay. How to install the Cygwin? I am already done the video. You can see in my playlist. You can install and you can practice this. This is one of the platform to practice Linux commands. Yes, thank you. Thank you for watching.